Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to TKC. We already know Microsoft provide 12 months free trial with 13,300, that is $200 credit for 30 days. Now I'm going to show you a few important theory and creating virtual machines and different cost as well. Before we dive into virtual machines, let's understand few things. First, cloud. I will tell you the benefits if it's either IaaS, PaaS or SaaS. There are so many benefits, but I have got a few importance. The first is it provides deployments of large compute environments. So it focus every organization if it's either small or large organizations. Second, existing systems which will be removed, so there won't be any much extra machines. Third, ability to provide flexibility compute capacity or scale when needed. Example, whenever you want to increase RAM size, it can be done in seconds. So it won't take much time, but yes, it will be done very fast. Fourth, more cost-effective computing environment. I would say depend which package you will select. There are so many packages I will show you in some time. Access from anywhere with a web-based portal. This is one of the cool feature which I prefer. You can access the feature, the Azure, anywhere. Last, cloud-based services to meet most compute and application needs. That's true about applications, but I am not sure about few apps like VFX because these are very heavy applications. So I'm not sure about if it's support in Azure. Azure Regions. Microsoft currently consists of 60 plus regions. Here are regions in different countries. I will scroll down and you will see how many regions are there in your country. So I can see in India there are 3 regions. These 3 regions you have to remember, because when you're selecting these packages, make sure you select the regions. Why you want to select your country regions? Because the connectivity will be fast rather than choosing other country regions. So there are Central India, that's going to be Pune, South India, Chennai, and West India, Mumbai. Azure Services. To be honest with you, this is very vast and there are so many different services depending on your nature of work. Like compute, this is for hosting and running applications. You will get virtual machines, app services, remote, and container. Data services, that is, this is for storage and managing. You will get SQL database, documents, and many more. Applications services, we have Azure Active Directory and also many more. Last, there is a network, a virtual network, and express route, VPN, traffic manager. These all are Azure app service. Now there are 3 things I would like to highlight. The resources are virtual machines, storage accounts, or SQL database. All of these are individual resources. Each resource can be created, managed, and deleted individually or as a group. Second is a resources group. It is a container that holds related resources for an Azure solution. And last is a resource manager template. It defines one or more resources to deploy to a resource group. Azure subscription. There are different Azure subscription. First, free account, which I already said, where you will get 12 months free and $200 credit for 30 days. You can convert anytime from free trial to pay as you go service. Second, we have MSDN. If you have MSDN subscription, you will get credit $150 in your account every month. If you exit the service, it will disable until next month starts. Third, pay as you go. With this subscription, you pay for what you use by attaching a credit card, debit card to your account. BizSpark account. This program offers free to start up for 3 years. This includes software, service, technical support, as well as Microsoft Azure Cloud Service usage. You get $150 in Azure credit as well. Last is Enterprise Agreement or EA. With an enterprise agreement, you commit to using a certain amount of service in Azure over the next year, and you pay that amount ahead of time. The commitment that you make is consumed throughout the year. If you exceed the commitment amount, you pay the overall in arrears. Move to Azure and subscribe for free trial and add 2 virtual machine. One is a Windows Server 2019 and second is a Windows 10. Let's go ahead. Okay, Open any browser if it's Edge or Chrome and enter the link portal.azure.com. It will ask you to enter Microsoft detail. If you don't have, you can create one, or you can enter detail, and then it will directly jump on Microsoft payment page where you have to pay 2 rupees. After you enter all the details, it will take you to the home page of Microsoft Azure account. Then I will click on Start Tour, or you can click on Maybe Later. It will take you to all the resources, dashboard, and app services. I would request you please go each and every one and understand the services or the menu part. I would say that I will directly jump on virtual machine. I have already created two, so let me show you the virtual machine. Also the region which I said, which is very important. So I will click on add virtual machine, and free trial, that is the subscription which I have taken, resource group TKC, and then I'm going to give it a name Central India, which I already said. This is the one I'm going to select, and here the package Windows 10, this is the one. Here you will see the different pricing. You can select the RAM and the price you can see. So I'm going to select 2 GB, that is fine for me. Enter the credential, username, password. Make sure the special character and caps should be included. Also the port 3389 should be selected and create. So this is the option you will get. You have to click on download RDP file. So one small file will done, it will be open, and then the Windows will launch. It's not going to take much time, but yes, it's very smooth. Now I'm going to create one more virtual machine, that is going to be server. So let's go ahead. TKC is the same group. Okay, Central India. So these are the different options. I'm not going to change, it's very much close. And Windows Server 2019, this is what I'm planning. The pricing will be a little higher because I'm going to select RAM. It's going to be 8. It's server, I know, but I'm not going to put anything, so that would be fine. The credential and RDP, the same thing I'm going to apply. So right now I'm not going to create networking, storage. It's just a simple getting the validation and the amount you will see once you have created. And then just go to the resource. It's all created. Then you just need to click on connect, and it will ask you which option you would like to go. It's RDP or SSH, so I'll click on RDP because I have selected RDP while creating virtual machine, and download RDP. That's the process. It's a small package, just like you do MSTSC. So the same, it will open, and then you can double click, enter all the public IP address, and you can see the Windows Server. It will open here. So guys, this is all about creating virtual machines and the package you have selected, and also the basic thing which I inform you about, the resources and the pricing, subscription. This is all about the first part of Azure Virtual Machine. I'll be making more videos on networking and storage. Thank you for watching.